I just have to keep on trying to be most careful and smile and bright. And do what I must to be better, 'cause it takes guts, and I work on it. It is gonna be cleaner than I know one day. I don't know everything, but don't ever think for a second I'm gonna let you obscure what is the right way for me. I'll forget all about the bad stuff. Won't even reflect on a darkened situation, games playing on me. What other joke they can laugh all they want. Love right through all that nonsense, yeah. Smile like I want to. It's different for everybody now. There are things that I don't know. I'm looking to find out what it is that I should know. Well, it could be common sense to you, but gives me insistence, delight to find out the right words to feel this time. I'll get it. Really get it. Get more vivid. Right, really get to the point across. It's up there somewhere in my head and body. I'll get it out, make you see, yeah, eventually.